20 Minute Setswana, Grammar Note Section, Lesson 9. Welcome to this Grammar Note section of Lesson number 9. Dumela Johan, okay.
Kiteng wena tian okay.
Getting. And ausiame?
Kisiame.
Resimole. So today we're talking about making sentences simple past and simple future. But before we get to that, there's a phrase in Setswana that goes like this. Ho na le. Okay. Now you have to help me on because I'm a little bit confused as to what this exactly means. I've asked Mpho, and basically it means there is.
It means there is, but immediately I have to add also, it can mean to have.
That's what I wanted to ask you, because when we say I have, we say kenale.
Kinale.
And we have this associative particle, the le, and the na being the verb, to have. So when I see honale, immediately to me this ho is that infinitive ho of the verb.
Yes,
Is that correct?
that's it.
Okay, so when I see the phrase honale, I see the infinitive form of kenale, I have, honale, to have.
That's it. So you have, actually that nali is the copulative.
Okay,
And you have an infinitive go in front of it. Gonale.
okay.
There is.
So we call this na a copulative verb.
Yes, that's
Okay.
100%.
All right. It's a little bit technical, so I don't think it's necessary to get too much into the technical names, but it's good to understand where things come from and how they mean different things, because the same phrase also means there is.
Yeah, gonale. There is.
Very interesting that honale can mean to have or there is. So when I say there is a cow, I say honale khomo.
Gonale kgomo.
That's it. Okay. Now, this is where Mpho and I started talking about the past tense. Let's start with the simple past tense. Now, in English, this would be there was, or I slept, I ate, etc.
That's it.
Now, how do I change a simple sentence like I speak to I spoke?
Ke abua is the present tense. Ke abua.
Okay.
But if you change it now to past tense, it becomes ke buile.
Okay.
So you immediately drop the a,
Okay.
because the a was the present tense a.
Okay. Once again, that present tense A is omitted.
Yeah, you leave that
You
out.
leave that out.
You
Okay.
drop it, and at the end of the verb, in the place of the a, you add ile.
Okay.
So bua becomes buile.
So once again, each verb in Setswana has a suffix. This last letter, the A,
That a is the suffix of the verb.
and this is replaced by a different suffix to mean different things or to conjugate the verb into the past or future or whatever.
That's it. So
Okay.
there's a lot of suffixes you can put onto verbs that mean different things in Setswana.
Okay.
When it comes to this past tense, it's one of the most difficult lessons for a person to study,
Okay.
because you've got 12 general rules,
Okay, sure.
but amongst the general rules, there's always exceptions.
Okay, well that's
And that makes the thing a bit difficult.
Yes.
But the general rule is the ile.
okay.
If I say ke abua, it's present tense. Ke buile. And when you say, for instance, taboga, we had run
Yes.
somewhere in a lesson. Ke a taboga, I am running, or I run.
Yes.
It becomes ke tabugile.
Okay.
So taboga, tabugile.
Tabogile.
That's it.
Okay. I'm going to try a few. Let's say I walk. Ke a tsamaya.
Ke a tsamaya.
Now,
Okay, now you see, now we get to the other rules also.
okay.
When you have a word that ends on tsamaya, so it's a ya at the end,
The YA.
the ya.
Okay.
So if you have words ending on a ya, it becomes ke tsamaile.
Ketsamele.
So
Okay.
it falls into another rule of these 12
Okay.
rules.
Well, let's say, for instance, I make the mistake of saying Ketsamaile.
Then the communication will still take place 100%.
Yes. Yes.
A mother tongue speaker of Setswana will immediately hear that you have made a small mistake.
Yes.
But when it comes to communication, because the difference between, it's just a sound change that takes place.
Yes.
It comes with time.
Yes. The good news is these rules seem like small sound differences that won't stop you from communicating. And this is all about 20 Minute Setswana is all about helping you to communicate as quickly and efficiently as possible. So, as a general rule, we'll cover all the rules in later lessons, but as a general rule, I understand that the A falls away, it's replaced by ile, and then you have changed the verb, you've conjugated the verb into the past tense.
That's 100%.
Awesome. Now, let's get to the future tense.
Yeah, the future tense is the easiest
Oh, okay.
when it comes to the positive.
All right.
You just have to add tla.
I
Tla,
recognize
that
this
means I will,
Yes.
or the future.
And this tla always comes before the verb. Is that correct?
Okay, when you mention a sentence, if we can use an example, ki abua,
Okay.
I am talking or I talk, it becomes just ki tla bua.
I will speak.
So the present tense I is just replaced by a future tense tla.
And is this, do we call this a future tense morpheme, or what do we call it?
Yeah, the future tense morpheme.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Well, that's very easy. So if I say I will walk, I just say ke tla tsamaya.
Yeah.
Well, I think let's close the lesson for today. I hope it's been useful to all the listeners out there. Johan, thank you for having joined us once again. We'll see you next week with 20 Minute Setswana. Go fitlela nako e e tlang.